Well, it's been a very long time I did not share a vacancies in a cruise line. So guys, in this video, bar department, restaurant department, housekeeping department vacancies I'm sharing. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. So guys, in this video, let's talk about some vacancies as I have been receiving so many of comments and messages about it's been a very long time you did not share a vacancies. So I thought yes, why don't I pick up some departments and I will share a vacancies in that. And guys, if you are looking for some other department vacancy, then please let me know into the comment section, so I will try to prepare a video on that as well. All right, but before I proceed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon with all notification on, so when I will make more interesting videos like this, you will get notified automatically. If you want to talk to me personally, you can always contact me on Instagram. My Instagram ID link is given down in the description below, or the ID is Akshay_is_life. Let's get started now. So guys, first of all, I will share the vacancies department by department, and then later on I will tell you where and how you are supposed to apply for these positions. Okay, so guys, these vacancies are available into cruise line, so I hope you know what are the eligibility requirements, right? And if you guys don't know, that also I will share up right into this video. But first of all, let's start from a bar department. So the number one vacancy which is available into bar department is pool service attendant. Yes, there is a position of pool service attendant, so if you have a similar experience, you can definitely apply for this position. And the second position is bar steward. Yes guys, you heard me right, bar steward, second position is available into bar department. So guys, now let's talk about a housekeeping department. So let's talk about what vacancies are available into housekeeping department. So the first vacancy is cabin host. So if you have a similar experience, if you have been working into hotels, 5 to 4 star hotels, then definitely you can apply for it. If you are working into any of the similar position, you can apply for this. And the second position is assistant cabin host. Similar position, but the assistant of cabin host, right? And the third position is laundry staff. So guys, nowadays so many of positions are coming of laundry, so if you have a experience into laundry department, I highly recommend you to apply for this position. Now third let's talk about a restaurant department. So guys, I have got 3 vacancies for you into restaurant department as well, and the first vacancy which is available is server. Yes, so if you have a similar experience, was working into any of the 4 to 5 star properties, then yes, you can apply for it. There is a position of server available. And the second position is assistant server, basically the similar position, but yeah, assistant server position is available. And the third position is QSA, which is a quick service attendance. So guys, I highly recommend you, if you have a similar experience, then definitely you should apply for it. And so guys, now let's talk about what is the basic eligibility criteria and how you are supposed to apply for these positions. So guys, as you know, if you want to apply for a 7-star properties which are cruise lines, so if you want to apply and get the job over there, then you have to have at least 2 years of 5-star properties experience. And then after that, once you clear your interview, then you have to go through a medical checkup. There are so many of things, right? If you guys already know about how the jobs works over here, but yes, if you have a similar experience, you have that qualification, you can definitely apply for these positions, and I highly recommend you to apply if you have a similar experience. Please do apply for it, and then when you get an interview, crack the interviews, then there is a documentation process, there is a medical, you clear all that and you get a job. That's how it goes, right? And guys, now how you are supposed to apply for this position. So guys, in order to apply for these positions, I have given a link into a description below. Please go and check a description of a video, click on that link and apply for the position. So guys, if you like my effort, then please make sure you like the video. If you haven't subscribed, hit the red subscribe button and tell me to the comment section for what another video you are looking for, so I will try to prepare a video on the same. Till then, take care, bye bye.